This website will make life of students easy. Go to Google. Search ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. It is built on top of OpenAI's GPT 3.5 family of large language models, and is fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning tech. Sign up using your Google account and verify your mobile number. Now let me show you how this website is useful for students. Suppose you get an assignment, for example, tell me 5 project idea on plastic waste. The website will then tell you about the ideas which you can use for your project and will also guide you how to implement it. If you are a computer engineering student or a normal student learning coding, you can ask about how to create a website and its code. The website will then guide you about how to create a website, how to purchase a domain, what code you should use, what software you should use. You can also ask for several other finance-related questions. If you belong to commerce or you want to earn money, you can ask about ways to earn money. The website will then tell you about the ways by which you can earn money, that is by freelancing, job, learning new skills.